Welcome, gardening enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the ultimate gardening battle, Amaryllis Lily versus Guava. Which of these botanical wonders will reign supreme in your garden? Let's find out.
First up, the Amaryllis Lily. Known for its stunning blooms and elegant presence, the Amaryllis Lily is a favorite among gardeners worldwide. With its tall stalks and vibrant colors, it adds a touch of sophistication to any garden landscape. Planting the Amaryllis Lily is a breeze. Simply choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil, and you're good to go. With proper care and attention, these beauties will reward you with breathtaking blooms year after year. Now let's talk about the guava. This tropical delight not only offers delicious fruits but also adds a touch of exotic flair to your garden. With its glossy leaves and aromatic flowers, the guava tree is a must-have for any fruit lover. Planting a guava tree requires a bit more space compared to the Amaryllis Lily, but the rewards are well worth it. Choose a sunny location with fertile soil and watch your guava tree thrive. With proper pruning and maintenance, you'll be harvesting juicy fruits in no time. Now that we've explored the individual characteristics of both contenders, let's compare them side by side. While the Amaryllis Lily dazzles with its stunning blooms and adds a touch of elegance to your garden, the guava tree offers not only beauty but also delicious fruits that you can enjoy year-round. So, gardening enthusiasts, which side are you on? Are you Team Amaryllis Lily or Team Guava? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for joining me in this ultimate gardening battle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening.